Hi everyone, welcome to Esperanza English for You. Today we are going to discuss about have, has, had plus being plus verb plus ing and their difference. Clear? We are struggling to use a correct form when we are speaking or writing in English. Okay, so you can apply this have, has, had plus being plus verb plus ing in everyday life situation while speaking or writing in English. Let us see the difference, where to use. Clear? So we used to say have and has for present tense. So if it is a being plus verb plus ing, it is for present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present perfect continuous form is have or has plus being plus verb plus ing. So this is the thing for present perfect continuous form. Why we are using perfect continuous form, present perfect continuous form? Continuous means always keep it in your mind, verb plus ing. If it is continuing, we have to use verb plus ing. That is, for example, teaching. Teach plus ing, teaching. Work plus ing, working. Clear? So, verb plus ing. If it is continuous, we have to use verb plus ing. Why we are using present perfect continuous? Where can we use present perfect continuous? So, if the action has started in the past and it continued till present, okay, there we can use this form, have or has plus being plus verb plus ing. If the action has already started and it continues till the present, there we can use present perfect continuous, have or has plus being plus verb plus ing. Clear? In the previous session, I have taught you where to use have and has. For all the three types of persons except he, she, it, we have to use have. For third person singular, he, she, it, after that we have to use has. Remember that. Now we can see. So, if the action has already started in the past, it is continuing till the present, there we can use have or has plus being plus verb plus ing, that is present perfect continuous. So let us see the example. Tina has been working in ABC company since 2010. So since 2010, she has started. She has been working there. Okay, since 2010. Till now she is working there. So that's why we are using has been plus verb plus ing. Okay, so Tina we are referring as she. Okay, has, this is the form, perfect form, being plus verb, this is the verb plus we are adding ing. Tina has been working in ABC company since 2010. Clear? Till now she is working there. Okay, so where are we using since? Where are we using for? We can see the difference also. If it refers to the particular specific point of time, we can use since. So the year is mentioned. Okay, if it is not mentioned, we can use for. Okay, the specific point of time is mentioned, we can use since. Okay, so Rishi has been drawing. So Rishi we are referring as he. Okay, that's why we are using has. Has been drawing for 2 hours. Okay, he has been drawing for 2 hours. So he has continued the drawing activity for 2 hours. The specific time is not mentioned. Particular time is not mentioned. So he has been drawing. Draw plus ing, drawing for 2 hours. He continued the drawing activity for 2 hours. Already started, continue. Clear? So this is the thing for present perfect continuous. Have or has plus been plus verb plus ing. Clear? So if the action started already, continued to the present, there we can use present perfect continuous form. Clear? Now we are going to see about past perfect continuous form. So if the action has started in the past, okay, and if the action had started in the past or began in the past, continued for a certain period of time and it ended in the past, not continued till the present. If it ended in the past, not the present, there we can use past perfect continuous. The same thing, only we are adding had. Had plus been plus verb plus ing. Clear? So if the action has already begun, okay, it started already and it ended in the past, there we can use past perfect continuous tense. Had plus been plus verb plus ing. Clear? So Deepthi had been working on her project the night before and she was very tired. So last night she worked on her project. So she has started, continued, completed. So there we are using had plus been plus verb plus ing. So for the past tense, if the action started, continued and ended in the past, there we can use past perfect continuous. She had been playing chess the whole day yesterday. So she has started playing, okay, continued and completed yesterday. So had been playing chess, had been playing chess the whole day yesterday. Hope you have understood where to use have, has and had. Have and has for present tense. Okay, if the action started in the past, continues till the present, there we can use present perfect continuous. If the action has started in the past, continued and ended in the past, there we can use past perfect continuous. Had plus been plus verb plus ing. This is the difference. Okay, since it refers to the specific or particular point of time. Clear? So, and for it doesn't refer to a particular point, it refers to all the three times, that is present, past or future. Okay, hope you have understood present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. This is the difference. If the action is continued, there we can use present perfect or past perfect continuous tense. Hope you have understood. So we are going to see another thing. What are the other terms we can use instead of happy? Okay, we have heard this quote. Be happy and make others happy. Keep it as a hobby. You will ever be happy. Okay, so let us see what are the other terms we can use instead of happy. The first thing is elated, ecstatic, blissful, euphoric, and the idioms on cloud nine, over the moon, on top of the world. The other terms are such as delighted, glad, cheerful, we are often using. So you can use these terms also instead of happy. So let us see one by one. Elated, extremely happy. Elated means extremely happy. He felt elated because he was the winner of the contest. So he felt extremely happy. Instead of that, we can use he felt elated because he was the winner of the contest. Clear? The next thing, ecstatic. Ecstatic means very happy and full of excitement. Ecstatic means very happy and full of excitement. She was ecstatic when she gave birth to a child. She was ecstatic when she gave birth to a child. For very happy and full of excitement, we can use ecstatic. Clear? Next one, blissful. Extremely happy and contented. Contented means satisfied. Okay, a blissful couple is holding a baby. That is a happy couple and they are contented, satisfied. So, a blissful couple is holding a baby. The next one, euphoric. Feeling of great happiness and excitement. Euphoric means feeling of great excitement and happiness. Scientists are euphoric at the success of their test. Scientists are euphoric at the success of their test. Clear? So for extremely happy, we can use other idioms also. We can use idioms also. That is on cloud nine, over the moon, on top of the world. So for extremely happy, you can use these things also. She was on cloud nine when she received a job. She was on cloud nine when she got the appointment order. Clear? And over the moon, the family planned for a vacation, so the kids were over the moon about the plan. Over the moon means the family had planned for a vacation, so the kids were over the moon about the plan. On top of the world. Okay, she was on top of the world when she heard that she was conceived. Okay, she was on top of the world when she heard that she was conceived. Hope you have understood the other terms we can use instead of happy. That is elated, ecstatic, blissful, euphoric. And the idioms on cloud nine, over the moon, on top of the world. Hope it is helpful. Please subscribe and click the bell button to receive the new videos. Thank you.